Well boys, this is Crush 300 spike signal. We just open a trade and here is the spike. As you guys can see an MT5 shot attached with this video. Look here, let me show you. Look here guys, let me zoom. This is 300 spike. Holding this trade and let's lock the profit and keep moving. Maybe there's more spikes, okay, and maybe there's another signal. So we're holding this trade. Let's keep watching and see if there is another trade, another spike on the same trade. And now we lock the profit with the stop loss. Now waiting for more spikes. Okay boys, and see here the market started going. I'm waiting for more spikes, and here is another spike, big one. Okay.
Arrow signal of spike. Now we're going to open the trade and Crush 300. So keep following guys, keep watching the video till end so you guys understand how actually the system works. Stop loss will be 3 candles. As you guys can see here, the signal just pop up. Now we are waiting for a spike. This tool have a lot of different features. I will explain in further videos and also tell you how actually to draw colorful lines and what's the purpose of these all colorful lines on my chart. As you guys can see in background, a lot of colorful chart. So the signal is just pop up. We're waiting for a spike. Now this is the one candle which is just closed. The second candle is formation. Waiting for a spike. So guys, let's see if the real system works or not. Is front of you guys. Okay guys, now waiting for a spike once it appears. Consistent, profitable, good to trade this system. Keep watching guys. This is the second candle, and as per our system rule, 3 candles stop loss. Waiting for 3 candles. If there is no spike front of you guys, I will definitely close in loss. I cut the trade. If there is spike, I will hold the profit. Maybe there's more spike because we are seeing power of support and resistance also there. So as you guys can see the second candle, and look here at the spike. This is a thin spike. We're holding this trade for more. Of course we are going to complete 3 candles. As you guys can see, signal and spike. Now we are waiting for 3 candles to complete the 3 candles. Okay, so this is the second candle which already spiked. Now we are going to count this as a second candle. So waiting for spike, guys. Look here, market is moving, indicator shown as a signal spike. Waiting for a spike. As you guys can see, market is moving. This is the second candle, which is close to the previous tiny spike. Waiting for a big spike, holding this trade. Okay, above is the scale tool, which help us to scale the chart. Look here, you may zoom this as much as you wish. 3 candles, stop loss. Waiting for a spike. Please hit the subscribe button, guys. Look here, waiting for a spike. This is the third candle. Look here, is the big spike, big one here. This is the live recording. Big spiked. Okay, guys, I'm still holding this trade. Let's see if there is more spikes. Look at it, guys, another signal, and we made good profit on this. 2 trades, and both we made good profit. Thank
Okay guys, look here. Here is a spike. So this is the power system. If you will losing in booming crash, you tired of blowing your accounts, give a try to our spike trading system. This is a very unique, very powerful strategy based system. You just need to follow the arrow. The arrow will help you to understand the market easily. Once the arrow appears, you need to open a trade with any lot size according to your capital. Once your account double, go for more lot size increase. How actually the system works, system will give you a signal. I will show in this video how actually the system works. You need to wait for trade zones. Once the market come in trade zone and the signal appear, this means there will be a spike. Stop loss all will be 3 candles. If there is no spike, you need to close your trade after 3 candles. So now guys, let me show you we made good money on other signals also. So after milking this index, let's move on another index and show you the history. Look here, a signal within 3 candles we made profit. Let me lock the profit. Okay boys, stop loss is trailed. Now we are waiting for market. Maybe there's more multiple spikes. Look here, one more sniper trade on boom index. In market he's giving us good spikes. So let's move on next index and show you the live signal. Look here guys, the crash index 300, and we are waiting for the market to reach in trade zone. Now look here, the red circle area, the arrow is appeared. Now we are waiting for spike. The trade is opened and we are entered with 5 standard lots holding this trade on crash 300, and see the power of this system, how actually the system works, and what kind of tool is this, what type of power and what type of strategy included in this. Look here, the first spike it just dropped and we are in profit. Now waiting for maybe there's more spikes. So holding this, look here guys, a big spike, a big one. Thanks, the market give us good profit on crash 300 with 5 standard lots. Look here guys, a big one, a big one. Thanks a lot of the market, really happy to have this big spike. 300 a trade. That night we were waiting for a spike. Recording this video, okay, doing a short clip from this recording for you guys. Maybe a lot of people think how you know there will be a signal. So this is a long recording, my guy. We cut a clip for you to consume the time. So waiting for a spike signal. Once the spike signal appear, I'm gonna open the trade. In front of you guys, a new candle is formed. We're waiting for a spike signal. Once the spike signal appeared, I know I'm going to open a trade. Here's the spike signal. Now let's open a trade. Here is Boom 300. A trade is open. We are waiting for spike, and we took 50 lot on this signal on Boom 300. This is the power of system. With a relaxed mind, you can take risk, because you know this is a powerful system. Now you guys can see market is moving, signal is staying non-rapid indicator, waiting for spike. On what this is second candle, we have 3 candle stop loss strategy. And look here guys, spike, and we made awesome profit. Let me save this picture for my VP group on Telegram, and we will post this signal results in our group. Now waiting for maybe there one more spike. Keep watching guys. One trade is closed and we are holding. Maybe there's more spikes we are holding, and maybe there's more signals. So let's move on Telegram VIP group where we posted this trade for, look here, one more spike guys, but still teeny spike. So I think we close this trade and let's move on Telegram. Look here, buy Boom 300 lot 50, and we made profit. Now let me put a screenshot in my group, and here is guys, as you guys can see. Thanks for watching.